Hey guys, how are you? I miss seeing you every day. And I just wanted to get on here and explain to you the process that we're going to use to make your online book. Unfortunately, because of all that's going on, we are unable to do the hardcover book that I had originally planned to do. But I think that we can make a product that is really cool by using this online version. So I wanted to hop on here and kind of show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is start a slide presentation. I'm in my drive right now. I am going to put a blank slide in Google Classroom for you, and that is where you will build your book on the slide presentation. That way I can look at your progress, and if you need me to help you with anything, I can go in there and search it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my slide presentation of The Diary of a Fingernail. This is the book that I've shared with you before. And the very first slide will be the title of the book. That is, if you had a book, the outside cover of the book. Now, because the title had already been drawn on there by my daughter Kelly, who is the author and illustrator of it, we're going to let that be the font on there. If you would like to draw your own picture for your book, just draw a picture on a piece of paper. You can either do it vertical or horizontal, it doesn't matter. If you do it vertical, then you'll just put a background color, kind of like what we've done here, just to make the slide look full of color. You don't want to really leave a lot of white space. If you choose to draw your picture horizontal, then your picture would take up most of the slide, and that would be great too. You can either write your words like my daughter did here, or you can just draw the picture and then go on there, insert a text box, and then type your words. Okay, you can type your words wherever you want on your title, on your book cover. Now notice that on her book cover, she has the title of the book. She also has at the very bottom, written and illustrated by Kelly Johnson. That's what you need to have on the cover of your book, okay? So that is one of the things that you're going to be working on this week. The second page of your book is the dedication page, probably the easiest page that you will do. Pick a color for the background. Pick a color for the font that's kind of fun and write your dedication. That will probably be one of the most simple slides that you complete. Okay, the third page, also something you're going to be working on this week, is called the title page. In a regular published book, you have a title page. The title page has the title of the book. It has written and illustrated by the author. She did that very creatively in the nail polish. Just keep that in mind that you want to be creative. And then in the top left corner, you will notice that her publishing company is called WinkWink.Inc. That is obviously a made-up publishing company, so do the same. Make a fun publishing company for your book that is going to publish this awesome book that you are creating. Now, again, draw your picture. If you do it horizontally, it would take up most of the slide. And then we just inserted a background color to give the green. So you can put a background color on there so that, you know, it doesn't have white space. I think it kind of makes it look a little cool, okay? So you've got so far, you've got your book cover, you've got your dedication page, and you've got your title page. The next page that we're going to do is going to be our first diary entry. And so we are going to add a new slide. Okay. Okay, we're going to add a new slide, and then we are going to insert a picture from the pictures that I've uploaded. So once you draw your picture on a piece of paper, you're going to have to obviously take a picture of it, upload it into your drive, okay? So we've done that already. All right, now because my picture's vertical, I'm going to set it in the center of the slide, just like I did the actual book cover. And I'm going to put it there. Now you'll notice that the typing, the text is already on this page because this is a book that's been made already. Yours, if you want to, you can just draw your picture. And then what you'll do is you'll go and insert a text box wherever on the page, wherever you want it on the page. You'll insert a text box, and then you can either type your diary entry or you can go get it from where you've already typed it and copy and paste it right on your book. Then if you need to, arrange the font differently, if you need to squeeze it in or make it wider, or you want to change the font a little bit, just make sure that it's easy for your reader to read, because we're going to be sharing these books later. Also, you would want to add a background color onto this slide because it's a little boring without it. So we're just going to pick a kind of a light color, because I don't know, that's just kind of the colors we've been picking. If you pick maybe light blue or whatever, then you'll have a nice slide. Now, you are going to try to finish 4 diary entry slides. So you do have a lot of work this week. If you don't get it all finished, it's okay. I just want us to get done as much as possible so that we can share these books with one another the last couple weeks of school. So if you can get through with the cover, the dedication, the title page, and then 3 or 4 diary entries this week, that would be great. Because then next week what we'll do is we'll finish our diary entries, so that would be 4 more, and then we would add in our autobiography page, which actually won't be too difficult either. I will be having Zoom meetings Tuesday and Thursday from 10 to 11. For any of you to pop in and ask a question. If you need help, you can always email me. I am happy to look at your slide presentation and help you in any way possible. Please, again, do it on the slide that I provide for you in Google Classroom. There's a possibility that we might be able to print out the ones that have worked hard and have them bound for you so that you can have a hard copy in your hands. That is going to be a goal of mine when this virus settles down. Again, I'm sorry that we can't do the other, but actually these are going to be great. So work hard. I can't wait to see what you're going to do. And again, if you have questions, email me or hop on the Zoom when I have it, or I'll call you at another time. Thanks. Can't wait to see it. Bye.